This is gonna blow your mind. Imagine getting in on meme coins before they skyrocket, all thanks to D2Crypto. So, you've heard about meme coins, right? Those fun, often viral cryptocurrencies that can see explosive growth overnight. But here's the kicker. Most people catch on only after these coins hit the popular centralized exchanges such as Coinbase. And by then, well, the biggest gains have often already been made. Enter D2Crypto. Think of it as your insider guide to buying meme coins before they go parabolic. But how, you ask? It's simpler than you think. D2Crypto leverages decentralized platforms, which means you can buy directly from the source, skipping the middleman. Here's a quick breakdown. First, connect your digital wallet to a reputable decentralized exchange, or DEX. Next, use D2Crypto to find promising unlisted meme coins. Then, swap some existing crypto for your chosen meme coin. Voila! You're an early bird, ready to catch the proverbial worm. And remember, investing early in meme coins through decentralized platforms not only potentially maximizes your gains, but also gives you the thrilling ride of being part of a crypto community from the ground up. Contact D2Crypto today and start your meme coin adventure.